Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 9th of July 2015. The trade for today is called SAP Miller and the code is SAP. Last traded price was R639.55. The action on this trade is to do a buy option, means you want to trade it from a low to a high. Entry level will be R635 on the grey and the target will be R673.10. Stop loss to be used in this trade is R622.50 on the red line. Looking at the current open trades, MDC is open, RDF is open and INL is open. Trades that's been closed on the 7th of July will be MMI, Sanlam and LBH. Looking at the top 40 index, this is a problem on top 40. The red crossed the grey. That was a 10-day crossing the 20-day, giving you a buying signal. And suddenly there's now a selling signal again, where the red is crossing the grey downwards. The blue line is the top 40 index movement of the best top 40 shares in the JSE, breaking further down on momentum. The Americans closed on Wednesday evening 261 points negative. From this high to this low, it closed to 17,515 points. So they're totally in this downward momentum at this moment. It's still fear of Greece and China that's in a recession. Greece needs to resolve their meeting by Sunday, and the European groups are still having the meetings as we speak from Wednesday already, and it's going forward today as well. Looking at some shares in the market itself, here's Shoprite. Now Shoprite at this moment is bouncing on this middle green line here, and we need to see if this could carry up or is this just a start of a negative pattern forming. High, low, lower, high. The question is, today the futures look to open much positive, where the European futures are a bit positive as well as the American futures are totally positive by 100 points. So we need to see if this is a bounce, retracing back. Looking at Mr. Price, same thing happened. Share came down, broke the middle green Bollinger Band, trading at 240. The big question is this the low point now? And you can extend it here, this green line, and that's a movement for a movement upwards from this low levels. Even Woody's looks good at this moment, and you can see, look at this positive momentum, sideways momentum, negative momentum. Currently trading at a low here of 95.47. Shares trading at 95, so we need to see if this share could start bouncing up or recover or start going down in this negative momentum. Looking at the banking shares here, Standard Bank. Standard Bank came from this lows here yesterday, and it actually closed up at R3.74 higher after it fell almost R7, so it recovered half of its positions from the low of 151 back to 160. Looking at Barclays Bank itself, after the CEO resigned of Barclays, the share actually recovered almost 2% higher from this low of 180 going higher back to 182. Looking at Investec, now Investec is trading in this range here, and from the low to the high, so that's the current trading range, 1780 and the high is 112. So we need to see if there's going to be value in here if the share can break to 110 going back to the 112, 112.50. Telecommunications, MTN lost fair value yesterday, the previous day, and yesterday it closed very lightly on 20 cents in the minus. And as you can see, it broke the middle Bollinger Band here, forming a new low here. Same with Vodacom. Vodacom actually is now doing this reversal pattern on the head and shoulder, high, low, high, low. At any time if it breaks this 141 level, it could go back to the 143. Nothing in it, but the share is still trading between the green and the red. Telkom. Now, after the Labour law said it's not right what Telkom is doing, they're suspending all the retrenchment at this moment. The share did come down, and yesterday it actually recovered a bit, 1.6% or 95 cents. Shares trading under the 60 rand. If you can break the 60 rand, you can see it most probably moving back to 65. Looking at the CFRs, CFRs are getting a hiding, still trading between the green and the purple and the downward momentum, and that is causing some fear on this specific share as well. And if you look at Exxaro, Exxaro is also trading here from the 90 rand levels under the 80 rand levels. No momentum, all momentum is downwards at this moment. Unfortunately, this share cannot be traded short at this time at all. So let's track the markets closely. Still a lot of volatility, and let's see what Greece can do before Sunday. Enjoy it.